Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. I hope you guys are doing great. So in today's video I'm gonna talk about a makeup remover. So basically I'll be doing a first impressions video, and it's been a long time I haven't done a first impressions video on my channel, so I thought why not do it this time. So I'll be talking about the Clinique Take the Day Off makeup remover. This is for lids, lashes and lips, so basically it's for the entire face. So this is a biphasic makeup remover, as you can see, oil and water. So I got my hands on this product few months ago, but I didn't get the opportunity to use this, so I thought this would be the best time and this is the right time that I should do the first impressions video. And yeah, so let's quickly begin with this video. So this is a 125 ml bottle and it retails for 1990 rupees. So before using this makeup remover you have to shake well and then use it. So the solution looks like this, and only then you will be able to use it, and it works perfectly. This is what is written here, because I haven't used it, so I don't know whether it will work or not, but let's try and see how it works and is it worth the price or not. So the packaging looks like this. It's a plastic bottle, so you have to press this and twist it to open the bottle. So this is how it opens. It's a bit difficult. It will not spill off. You can carry this bottle easily wherever you go, and that is the best thing. So yeah, this is how the packaging is, and the system of opening, it's a bit tricky but is really good. This is again SLS free, it's paraben free, it's free from fragrance, and it's cruelty free. It's dermatologically tested, and it does not contain alcohol. So that is the best thing about this makeup remover. Now previously I had been using the Bioderma Sensi Bio water, and I have also reviewed that product. I will put the link in the description, you can go check that. And also that is a great makeup remover, and I like using that product as well, but I recently got over with it, so I thought why not give this a try. It says that it removes even the waterproof mascara easily. It breaks the makeup, melts it and easily removes. That's what it claims. So I'll take a cotton pad and I'll add this and see how it works. Oh, I forgot to shake it, so I have to shake it again. So let's shake it first and then open it. Now I'll take few drops and I've taken few drops, as you can see here. I don't know if you're able to see it or not. And now I'm going to wipe off. Oh my god, it actually works. So I forgot to say that I had makeup on my face from morning, and this is amazing. In one swipe, let's see how much it removes. I also have my Clinique mascara on, so let's see if that gets wiped off easily or not. And in one swipe, I mean, this is amazing. It works, it really works. This is all that dirt, like it is amazing. Now let's check if it removes the lipstick or not. Damn, it's too good, it's too good. It actually works. My face feels a bit oily, but because it has got oil in it, so you will definitely feel that oil factor in your face. It didn't cause any irritation. When I took it near close to my eyes, some makeup removers, they cause that tingling sensation, but this didn't cause anything at all. Everything has just come out. The whole makeup has come out in 1 or 2 swipes maybe, and it's completely clean now. So this is amazing. Yeah, I like this product a lot, because in some makeup removers you have to keep on struggling, and your makeup doesn't come out that easily. But with this product it really worked well. As you can see, my face is completely free of makeup now, and I have literally in 1 or 2 swipes removed the entire makeup. This product did a pretty good job, and I think it's worth the price. I also showed you that I just took 2 drops. That means this is going to last me for a long time, and that's a great thing, because if you are investing like 1900 rupees, it should definitely last long, and it should work properly. I'm sure this is gonna last for a long time. So this product is suitable for all skin types, so anybody can use this product. And Clinique, you must know that I love Clinique products, and especially the skincare range is just wow. I have been using its moisturizer and face wash for the longest time, and I really like their products. I have also reviewed the moisturizer, and I will put the link in the description. You can go check that. And yeah, so this is all about this video. I hope that you find this video helpful, and if you do, please do like and share this video, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more such videos. Thank you for watching. I shall see you in the next one. Till then, take good care of yourself. Bye bye.